Hey everyone, so in this video we will be continuing with our Mediapipe series and we will be looking at face stylization. Okay, so as it says, this is an experimental task and under active development. So it's more of a fun task there rather than being some kind of something that we will be using in our projects. Okay, so this is just for fun. So definitely a very lightweight video. So the Mediapipe face stylization task let you apply face stylization to faces on an image. Basically, you give an image that contains a face, and there are some things it can do. So, okay, the Blaze StyleGAN face generator uses a lightweight implementation of StyleGAN model family. Again, GANs are something that I haven't covered. So yeah, so basically these are just deep learning models that are used for generating data. Okay, it can be image data, it can be any form of data, mostly images. So it's image generation. Okay, not as strong as your diffusion models, but definitely it had an error. Okay, so the face decoder, which uses a mobile net v2 backbone, maps input images, all that. Okay, so what I need to do from here is what you need to do is you can go to code example and then you can look into the code. I have changed this code in such a way that we can run our functionality on one single image. Okay, so there are not many things over here. So there are three things that you can do. You can either give an image and then it will convert it to a color sketch. Okay, and for that you basically take this model and download it. Okay, exact same thing, just you need to change the model. If you want in the color ink, you don't have to do anything. You just need to take this model instead of the other model, and I'll show you. And if you want oil painting, nothing changes other than the fact that you just take this particular model over here. Okay, the code I'm just going to show you for the sketch one. Okay, only change the model, change nothing else, and it will still work fine. Okay, so we will start by installing Mediapipe as usual that we do. So this code will be hosted in GitHub, and the link will be there in the description, so you can definitely look into it. So you can get this particular URL from there. So this URL will be there, and you have to use this wget command, okay, in order to find the to download the model. Again, you can also take this second model, which is a color ink model. Okay, so this first one was the sketch one. I told you, right? We will be doing the sketch model, so color sketch, and this one is color ink. Nothing changes, just the model. Okay, and we are going to basically download this particular image. So I can show you the image over here. Let me go and let me show you the image. It's a very big image, but don't worry, we will be trying to figure it out. So you can see there's a woman. Okay, so there's a woman over here, and she is basically wearing a suit. That's the entire image. Okay, that is what we are using. And yeah, let's start with our code. So basically you implement cv2, and you import the cv2 underscore imshow google patch, and you also import math, which we will not be using, so I'll just delete it from here. Then we also need numpy, we need Mediapipe, these things. And since we are using Python, so mediapipe.tasks import Python, and mediapipe.tasks.python import vision. So these are the two things that we need. So base option, again, you can take the model from here. The model was already downloaded, face stylization task. You copy the path and then you paste the path over here. Okay, so what you can do is you can Control V. Rest everything remains the same. So you have basically shown your base options over here, and then use that base option to create just options. After that, what you need to do, let me close this. You need to come over here and you need to instantiate this, okay, as stylizer. Okay, after that you take the image I have already shown you, and then pass that image to the stylizer dot stylize, and then you have the stylized image. Okay, so if you the stylized image is over here, here. Now if you do a dir of that, just to see what are the things that we can use. So there are many things. What I am interested in, just the numpy view, because I am only interested in the image. I want to show you that image. So what you can do is you can do cv2 imshow over here, and then you can take the stylized image dot numpy view. So this is what you can do for your image. So you can see the image that we had has now been converted into this sketch color kind of an image. So obviously it seems that there is an internal model that actually does face detection kind of a stuff. It will figure out where the face is and then do that operation. Okay, so as I said, you can basically take this color ink also. You just need to go over here, and instead of that you need to click over here and download this model. So let me try to actually show you that one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I have this, so I have face stylizer, okay. So color ink is there, so instead of that I'm going to take copy path over here, and rest everything remains the same. Here instead of face stylizer, the only thing I do is I pass the color ink image. Okay, and then I hit shift and enter. What is that going to do? Now let's see. We will again do the same thing. Again, the same image has been taken over here, and then we will be passing that particular image in the stylizer.stylize. Okay, so let me go ahead, shift and enter. Okay, so it might take some time, but again it's just a couple of seconds, 2 seconds. Okay, so again, what to say, you find this, you don't need this because we already know where to go. So over here you do, and you hit shift and enter. So you can see now it has been converted into some kind of a color ink. Okay, I don't know what color ink and all that stuff is. Sketch though I know it's mostly used with, you draw with pencil. Color ink, I don't know, I have never done painting so much in my life. Oil painting, yes, I get it. So the code will be there on GitHub. You can definitely go and see to it, and the link of that is there in the description below. If you like, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much, and